This is a question previously we discussed. 2 grams of magnesium, 2 grams of sulfur is given. Then find out which is the limiting reagent and how much excess of reactant is unreacted. This is a question answer. So first, what we said, first we go for calculate the number of moles. Weight is given. Number of moles divided by coefficient. Least number is limiting reagent. अच्छा देखो यहाँ 0.0824 moles of magnesium. In case of sulfur, number of moles are 0.06. Out of this, which is the least number? This is the least number. अच्छा least number is a limiting agent. This is a limiting agent. Now here 1 mole కాబట్టి there is no problem. 1 mole, it is also 1 mole. Least number is limiting agent. So 1 mole of sulfur gives 1 mole of magnesium sulfate. That means number of moles of magnesium sulfate formed also 0.062 mole. Suppose they are asking answer in number of moles, this is the answer. They are asking answer in weight, then we can go for 0.0624 into weight of the magnesium sulfate. Magnesium 24 and sulfur 32 so 6 and 56 into 56. We get a weight. Let's see what they are given answer in terms of weight, in terms of number of moles. The limiting reagent is sulfur only. अच्छा mass of MgS found, number of moles into weight. Mass means number of moles into weight. Number of moles into weight. The weight of magnesium sulfate they consider to be 56 actually, but they consider 56.4. Magnesium 24 is sulfur 32. 56. This is the exact. अच्छा moles of magnesium left unreacted. Excess ఎంత ఉంది? अच्छा ఎన్ని moles react అని ఎన్ని moles react అని కదా? తీసుకున్న వచ్చిన moles ఎన్ని మనకి 0.08 something వచ్చింది. ఎన్ని moles unreacted చూడండి. ఇది unreacted. Excess ఎంత ఉంది? Mass కనుక్కోవాలనుకోండి into 24 multiply చేస్తే mass వస్తుంది. Into 24 multiply we get the mass. The previous this kind of questions are asked also. If anybody having previous topics, once again check it. Magnesium and oxygen के बारे में एक question asked. You have any previous topics, please check it. Magnesium, I will discuss that question. Right. चलो. This, after this, I can discuss that question. Now this, I think this exactly previously asked a question also in the JEE examination. At the same time, this is a question given in NCERT solid exam. Okay, boss, NCERT book and solid exam. 50 kilograms of N2 and 10 kilograms of H2 are mixed to produce ammonia. Calculate ammonia form. Identify the limiting reagent. Achha, first write the basic equation. You can also follow the write the basic equation. Try karo one by step try karo. This is the basic equation. You also write basic equation. Write the basic equation. N2 plus 3H2 plus ratio to NH2. This is the basic equation. Basic equation. Right? Then. अच्छा weights are given. Weight को mole में convert कर. Weights are given. Number of moles directly given. You go for number of moles. But weights are given. Weight को number of moles में convert कर. Number of moles में convert कर. ऐसा number of moles कावाలంటే నేను చేయాలి. Number of moles of N2 కావాలంటే 50 into 10 power 3 because kilogram ని గ్రామ్ లో మార్చుకోవాలి కదా. Weight by gram molecule. 1 kilogram 1 gram లో ఉండకూడదు. Weight by gram molecule. Denominator లో గ్రామ్ మాలిక్యులర్ వెయిట్ అంటే వెయిట్ కూడా గ్రామ్ లోనే ఉండాలి. 1 కిలోగ్రామ్ 1 గ్రామ్ లో ఉండదు. రెండు యూనిట్స్ సేమ్ ఉండాలి. సో డివైడెడ్ బై దిస్ ఇస్ 20. అలానే 10 కిలోగ్రామ్ అంటే 10 into 10 power 3 డివైడ్ బై ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఇస్ యు హావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్. చెక్ చలో. ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ యు హావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్. देखो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ N2 कितना है? वेट बाय ग्राम मॉलिक्यूल. This value note करो. This value is this much. How many? 17.86 into 10 power 2 moles. Similarly calculate करो. number of moles of hydrogen 5 na, 5 into 10 power 3 na, approximately 5 into 10 power 3 na, 5 into 10 power 3. now देखो इक्वेशन क्या है अभी देखो N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to 2NH3. अच्छा, our procedure is first write number of moles of N2. What is given number of moles of N2? अच्छा, 17 approximately I go for 17. 17 into 10 power 2 moles. अच्छा, number of moles of hydrogen कितना देगा? 5 into 10 power 3. 5 into 10 power 3. अच्छा, एक काम करूंगा मैंने 7 into 10 power 2, 50 into 10 power 2 रखा. 50 into 10 power 2. इन्हें simple मैंने 50 into 10 power 2 रखा. Next step number of moles upon coefficient. Number of moles upon coefficient. अच्छा, 17 by gram molecular weight of nitrogen is sorry. So number of moles 1 करा. Number of moles 1 करा. 3 करा. 50 into 10 square by 2. अच्छा, this is equal to 17 into 10 power 2. This value 50 by 3. 17 వచ్చిందా? 16.6 into 10 power 2. अच्छा, which is limiting agent? Hydrogen limiting. You go for exact values, it might matter. Limiting agent with reference to hydrogen only you have to calculate the number of moles of ammonia formed. Actually, leave it this. Limiting agent is hydrogen. So whatever the procedure they followed, so you are following very simple procedure. Hydrogen is limiting agent. Now with reference to nitrogen only, N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to 2NH3. Na? Achha, 3 moles of H2 gives 2 moles of NH3. Because limiting reagent is hydrogen. But actually, how many moles of hydrogen is given in numerical exam? Numerical में 50 kilograms by 2 गला. Then hydrogen 50 kilograms इच्छर गला. And any moles इच्छर 10 sorry 10 kilograms. Nothing but 2 into 10 power 3 moles. Sorry, 5 into 10 power 3 moles. 5 into 10 power 3 moles में how many moles of ammonia? So 5 into 10 power 3 upon 3 into 2. 10 by 3 into 3.3. 3.3 into 10 power 3 moles. The answer is this one. If they want to convert it into weight, multiply with 70. Because gram molecular weight of ammonia is 70. If you want number of moles, answer it. Number of moles, answer this one. If you want to convert into weight, convert this multiply with weight only. We get because number of moles is equal to weight by gram molecular weight. Na? अच्छा, weight रावालन change है number of moles into gram molecular weight. Gram molecular weight of ammonia is 70. अच्छा, whatever the procedure they follow, very simple. Our procedure is very simple. What is our procedure? This is NCERT में procedure दिया क्या दिया? Given number of moles you have to write. Second step, number of moles divided by coefficient you have to write. Least number is the limiting agent, right? With respect to that number only, you have to check 2 moles of H2 gives 2 moles of ammonia. अच्छा, 5 in 10 power 3 moles की so many. अच्छा, आंसर देखो NCERT में भी है, न्यूमेरिकल एग्जांपल है. अच्छा, देखो ये क्या है? 20 grams of sulfur on burning in air produce 11.2 liters of SO2 at STP. The percentage of unreacted sulfur is how much? ऐसे करना. हेलो. अच्छा, कैसा करना? This is not limiting reagent. Only one reactant is given. This is not a limiting reagent problem. अच्छा, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन करो. खत्म. 90% खत्म होता है. इक्वेशन क्या है? सल्फर प्लस O2 gives rise. Very simple करना है. S plus O2 gives rise to SO2. Very simple. इसको लेना प्रॉब्लम. Now, अच्छा, इसमें वॉल्यूम में दिया, इस वेट में दिया है ना, one is given weight में, one is given volume. अच्छा अन्य 1 मोल है, अच्छा 1 मोल of SO2 what is the volume? अच्छा దీని వాల్యూమ్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాం 22.2 లీటర్స్. अच्छा 1 मोल of sulfur weighs how much? 32. Sulfur, not sulfur dioxide, sulfur 32. अच्छा this is the basic equation, but they given in order to produce 11.2 liters only. In order to produce 11.2 liters only. मतलब आपको चाहिए 11.2 लीटर्स होनी, आपको चाहिए 11.2 लीटर्स होनी, मतलब देखो 11.2 by 22.4 into 32 कितना, कितना 60 grams. But how much is given? 20 में how much is reacted? 16. What is the percentage of sulfur unreacted gas? Unreacted. अच्छा reacted 16 है, 20 taken है, 20 is not reacted completely, 16 only reacted only. How much is unreacted? 4 grams. Unreacted is 4. Unreacted is 20 minus 16 है, कितना 4 है. अच्छा percentage asking, how many grams में 20 grams में 4 gram unreacted है. What is the percentage of unreacted? Total 20 है, out of 24 unreacted है, into 100 है, we get कितना है 400 by 20 कितना 20%. अच्छा 20% is unreacted, मतलब how much percent is reacted? 80%. Any question they ask, question is asked unreacted sulfur, they may ask reacted sulfur also. How the questions are asked based on percentage. अच्छा don't bother. First some students are go for 20 grams to start just 20 grams gives like how much volume of SO2. Already the question is the percentage of SO2 but it seems untouched sulfur. Given data right, data in order to produce 7.2 liters only, how much weight of sulfur should be equal with excess of oxygen? But how much taken? How much reacted? Leftover? How much is left over? Unreacted how much? So what they're asking the question, percentage of unreacted sample, they go for unreacted sample. This is a basic one, na? Basic one. 11.2 liters only given. मतलब क्या है? 60 grams है. Unreacted कैसे calculate करें? This is hint only given. Unreacted कैसे calculate? Into 100. चलो, anybody having previous year questions? चलो, 1 gram of magnesium. चलो लिखो 1 gram of magnesium. 1 gram of magnesium is burnt with 0.56 grams of O2 in a closed vessel. In a closed vessel, which reactant left in excess? How much? Which reactant is left in excess and how much? Try करो कैसा करना. APMT 2014. Try करो. I will give the I will tell the solution. First you try 1 minute. अच्छा, whenever two reactants are given, better go for Mg plus O2. They go for Mg plus half O2 gives rise to Mg. Whenever two reactants are given, you have a problem with the limiting reagent. Now, better you go for number of moles calculate first. Acha, 1 gram of magnesium. How many moles है? 1 gram by magnesium. Number of moles of magnesium. 1 by 24. कितना है? 1 by 24 है. 0.049 49 approximately 0.04. 0.04. Number of moles. Number of moles is 0.049. अच्छा, number of moles of O2 calculate करो. 0.56 by 32. Number of moles of O2 calculate करो कितना होता है? Number of moles of O2. Calculate करो 56 by 32 into 10 power minus 2. Can you tell what is it? 56 by 32. Number of moles. 1.6 huh? 1.7 approximately 1.7 into 10 power minus. अच्छा देखो ये वाला 1.72 into 10 power minus. Yes, number of moles upon coefficient है 0.049 by 1. अच्छा 1.7 into 10 power minus 2 divided by 1 by 2. Number of moles upon coefficients. मतलब 0.049. This value is 3.4 into 10 power minus 2. अच्छा, which is the least number? अच्छा, this also convert into minus 2 लो convert చేసుకోండి. 1 2 కదా. దీన్ని 4.9 into 10 power minus 2 రాసుకోండి. ఇది 3.4 into 10 power minus 2 రాసుకోండి. which is least number? 3.4 10 power minus 2 least number. Limiting agent कौन है? अच्छा, this is procedure first లో మీకు ఆన్సర్ దొరికింది చూడండి. ఆప్షన్ లో లేదు, ఆన్సర్ దొరికింది. which reactant is left in excess means magnesium होना चाहिए because oxygen is the limiting reagent. This oxygen is the limiting reagent in this problem, right? So I go for oxygen is the limiting reagent, right? Then procedure I go for. How much अड़िगर? अच्छा, oxygen इंतवరకు ఒక procedure అయిపోయింది. oxygen limiting agent and which is excess means magnesium is excess. How much excess we are going to get? This procedure over. This problem is over. Next, so I go for one more procedure. This is a procedure only identification of limiting reagent, right? Then I go for Mg plus half O2 gives rise to MgO. Now you tell. अच्छा, 1 mole of magnesium is react with half mole of O2, right? Half mole of O2. That means 24 grams of magnesium, 16 grams of oxygen, right? But in the problem, how many grams of oxygen is given? The oxygen is completely consumed, na? That's why we have to go for oxygen. If magnesium is completely consumed, you go for magnesium. Oxygen is completely consumed, you take a weight of oxygen is given how much? Weight of oxygen given how much? Tell me. 0.56 grams of only O2 is a reactant. मतलब how much of magnesium should be that 0.56 grams of oxygen? We are going to get. अच्छा 0.56 by 16 into 24. अच्छा 82 से 83 से कितना होगा? 0.28 into 3. 0.84 ना. मतलब 0.8 mole of 0.84 grams of magnesium is reacted. But they ask non-reacted how much? How many grams of magnesium taken? 1 gram of magnesium taken. 1 gram of magnesium only taken. But how much reacted है? Leftover कितना है? अच्छा, leftover is 1 minus 0.84 है. कितना है? 0.16. So whenever they are asking excess, one more step is required. Limiting reagent है, previous step is done. Both problems are asked previously. Most of the time limiting agent only asked that. But one or two times they ask leftover is also how much. Leftover के लिए again you can go for same procedure. This is a given equation में which is limiting reagent, according to that you have to compare. Limiting reagent is oxygen, you have to compare. Out of only 0.56 is consumed means how many grams of magnesium can react with 0.56 grams of oxygen. You have to find out 0.8 given 1 gram, but reacted to 0.4. How much unreacted? 0.16. This is a previously asked question. Achha, one more question. Note karo. अच्छा, this is also limiting reagent concept है. आप बताओ. Haber's process में note करो. Haber's process में N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to 2NH. Haber's process is given 30 liters. What they given? 30 liters of N2, 30 liters of dinitrogen, 30 liters of dihydrogen, 30 liters of dinitrogen were taken for a reaction, which yielded only 50% of the expected product. But product yield is given. Product yield is given only 50%. Only 50%. Product yield is given only 50%. So what they're asking the question, what will be the composition of the gaseous mixture under the effervescent condition in the air? Means what will be the composition of the mixture? What is the remaining in the mixture? They're asking the question. So this is the question is asked APMT 2003. These are the same question limiting reagent concept. In terms of volumes में दिया. Previously in terms of moles we discussed. In terms of volumes are दिया. अच्छा 30 liters of N2 given, 30 liters of H2 given, but ammonia के लिए कोई volume नहीं किया, but given that product yield is given only 50%. Then what are the composition of the remaining mixture? What is the composition? मतलब how many liters of ammonia, how many liters of H2, how many liters of H2 unreacted? What we are going to discuss. चलो देखो. This volume ratio बताओ. Volume ratio. Again, I am writing N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to 2NH. According to Gay-Lussac's law, because volume ratio nothing but Gay-Lussac's law only. According to Gay-Lussac's law, 1 volume, 3 volume, and 2 volume. According to Gay-Lussac's law, 1 volume of N2, 3 volumes of H2, 2 volumes of ammonia. Correct? According to Gay-Lussac's law. But given देखो 30 liters आए and 2 liters means ammonia. अच्छा limiting reagent you have to calculate first. Which is limiting reagent? अच्छा given 30 liters है, I go for limiting reagent. अच्छा 30 by 1, 30 by 3, 30 by 3 कितना है? ये 10. ये कितना है? अच्छा ऊंची लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट है. फिर ऊंची लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट है अमोनिया. सॉरी H2 is a limiting reagent. Here H2 is a limiting reagent. अच्छा ये कॉन्सेप्ट हो गया, क्लियर हो गया. Among this which is limiting reagent is H2 is a limiting reagent. Then I will change the procedure. Now from this data we identify that H2 is a limiting reagent. H2 is a limiting reagent. Limiting reagent. Then I go for my perception. अच्छा N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to 2NH3. अच्छा 3 moles gives 2 moles ना. मतलब shall I write 3 into 30, 3 into 10 I will write. अच्छा 1 into 10 I will write. 2 into 10 I will write. 1:3:2. 1:3:2. अरे ratio. 1:3:2 ratio. अच्छा 20 liters will be formed. 3 moles gives 2 moles. The 30 liters is 20 liters. Leave it N2. N2 is excess one. N2 is excess. Leave it N2 one. But for our confirmation, we require 20 liters. अच्छा 20 liters है, ये 30 liters है, ये 10 liters. But what I expected, how much percentage of leak? How much percentage? 50%. 50% में, अच्छा actually this is 100% suppose. If 100%, how much amount of ammonia will form? 20 liters of ammonia. They expected only 50%, right? 50% means how many liters होना चाहिए? How many होना चाहिए? 10 liters. Because they expected 50% only yield. अच्छा, when will you get 10 liters? You take 50 liters. You take 5 liters. मतलब 1 into 5, 3 into 5, 2 into 5. Understood? अच्छा, 3 concepts are there here. First, you have to identify which is the limiting age. After that, see the procedure. 30. This is 30 liters are given. That matlab it is 20 liters only. 3:2 ratio. I can split the 30 liters to 3 into 10. 20 liters to 2 into 10. Obviously, N2 1 into 10 होना चाहिए because 1:3:2 ratio. Volume ratio according to Gay-Lussac. But they give a problem में given only 50% expected product. 50%, 20 में 50% कितना है? 10. If you are getting 10 liters, sir, this also should be reduced to 50% only, ना? Then only 50% product आएंगे हमको. Otherwise, not possible. That's why I can also reduce 50%. 50 and 5. Okay. Now these are consumed. These are consumed. Unreacted बताओ. अच्छा कितना दिया? देखो फाइनल मिक्सर में क्या है? मैं मेरा को 10 liters of ammonia फाइनल में. H2 ఎంత తీసుకున్నాం ఇనిషియల్ గా? 30 తీసుకున్నాం. 30 లో ఎంత రియాక్ట్ అయింది? 15. ఎంత అన్ రియాక్టెడ్? That means I go for 15 liters of H2 unreacted, because remaining consumed now. Consumed is not coming to the final mixer. Unreacted only in the final composition. And N2 how much taken initially? 30 liters. N2 30 liters. But how much is reacted? How much unreacted? 25. That is 25 liters are unreacted. Actually, they are asking the questions. This is not Avogadro's, this is nothing but Gay-Lussac. Combining volumes are nothing but Gay-Lussac. Once again, I repeating what the given problem is. Haber's process is given. 30 liters of N2, 30 liters of H2 is given. Product yield is only 50%. First, product decides on which factor. First, we decide N2 na H2. You have to find out limiting. Achha, go for procedure. Number of moles by coefficient, least number is limiting. Achha, we got limiting reagent. Then I start the procedure. 3 moles gives 2 moles. And the 30 liters and the 20 liters are ours. Let's split just now. Because 1:3:2 volume ratio according to Gay-Lussac. I can split like that. 30 means 3 into 10. 1 means 1 into 10. Then we get 2 into 10. If 100% is possible, 20 liters. But in problem में given 50% only for product heat only. मतलब 20 में 50% 10 है. In order to get 10 means this answer 50% होना चाहिए. So 15 and 5. Here is just number 1 into 5, 3 into 5, 2 into 5. अच्छा final mixer में क्या है? Ammonia definitely is there. Plus unreacted H2 and unreacted N2 only. Reacted consumed is not, you should not consider. Unreacted कितना है? Because total 30 liters दिया. 30 liters में 50% yield में 15 liters only consumed है. 15 is unreacted only. अच्छा out of 30 liters में 5 liters of N2 only consumed है. Remaining 25 liters of N2 is unreacted only. So final composition में क्या है? This is a combination of Gay-Lussac law and a combination of limiting agent. These are questions of previous class. These limiting agent concepts are very easy for you. So we will do one thing. Molarity, normality, you have to prepare your own. In colligative property also I can discuss. Mole fraction, molarity, normality. Colligative 2 days. If today computer circuit, I will give the schedule and the schedule. Right? This problem. 10 grams of hydrogen. Very simple problem. You can do your own. 10 grams of hydrogen. 10 grams of hydrogen and 64 grams of oxygen were filled in a steel vessel. The question asked is amount of water produced. Amount of water produced in terms of number of waters. That's a simple limit. How previous questions are asking. Simple math. Simple, very simple math. 10 grams of H2 and 64 grams of O2 is taken in a steel vessel and exploded, heated. Achha, the question asking how much amount of the H2O is produced. Limiting reagent factor. Whenever two reactants are there, better go for limiting reagent concept. Achha, limiting reagent concept hai batao. First of all, balanced equation likho. How will you get water from H2 and O2? How will you get it? Achha, H2 plus half O2 gives rise to H2. So that 2H2 plus O2 gives us 2H2. That is whatever may be balanced equation, you have to write balanced equation. Chalo, 10 grams of H2 means how many moles? 10 by 2, 5 moles. Ye 5 moles. The number of moles are 5. Achha, 64 grams of O2 means how many moles? 64 by 32. How many moles? 2 moles. Achha, how to identify limiting reagent? Simply number of moles upon coefficient. Achha, 5 by 1, 2 by 1 by 2. Right? Achha, 5, this is 4. Achha, which is limiting reagent? O2 is limiting. Which is the least number? That is the limiting reagent. Here, limiting reagent is O2. Limiting reagent is O2. Limiting reagent is O2. Now compare karo. Half mole of O2 use 1 mole of water according to this equation. Half mole of O2 gives 1 mole of water. But in the given problem, how many moles of O2 is given? 64 by 32. How many moles are given? 2 moles are given. मतलब आप देख लीजिए 2 moles of O2 gives how many moles of water? Half mole gives 1 mole. 2 moles gives 4 moles. Answer is 4 moles of O2. Answer is 4 moles of O2. That's why what I am telling you, I am suggesting you, first you read the NCERT textbook, NCERT solved example, NCERT exercise questions, and after that immediately go for previous and answer questions. Or else after the concept, NCERT concept, go for previous question, then you come to the NCERT solved example. Because the same model, what are given NCERT, same model questions are asking in ability examination and examination. That's a mole concept, very simple calculations are given in NCERT. Don't make it complicated. Don't make it a lengthy calculations. Simple manner, you have to learn concept and compare it to the right. If any doubt, you can ask me. And if possible, molarity normality also I can make a video. Anyhow, I am going to discuss the same molarity, normality, mole fraction, normality, everything. I'll give you. There also I can discuss. Okay.